Mukbang ng sandwich. Ayan po si Crescent. Gulo po niya. Mukbang po tayo ng tinapay. Tap ba?
Hey, meron ka ng YouTube channel.
Meron. Gusto mo ba?
I want to see.
Ay, wala akong internet eh. Hindi mo naman puro study yun.
Paano nakatingin? Is there the one that... How do you make slime? Paano nakagawa mo slime?
Hindi ko alam. You eat na your sandwich?
Look, I made a bun.
That's food.
Why did it rip?
Huh?
Why did it rip? It looks like a fish. Looks like a fish.
Why you don't like this part?
Because it's brown.
Because it's brown. It's tasty. Tastes good naman ah. Pausa mo dyan. Ganun. Ganun.
It's like a hash browns. What if you turn small and then you eat your way through?
Ano?
What if you turn small and then you eat your way through? Like nom 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 nom.
Hindi, maghapon ko yung kakainin. Maliit lang pala. Yung langgam mo, baka isang linggo nilang kinakain yan.
Is there ano yun? Is there any red Gatorade? Anong red ng Gatorade?
Yeah.
Or is that a purple kind of
Yeah,
Gatorade?
that's grape flavor.
Is there any red Gatorade?
Yeah. Do you know what happened to my tumbler?
I don't know.
I put hot water and then my tumbler squeezed it like that. And then it became small because the water is hot.
Like this?
No, ganyan. Kaya hindi ko na siya
No wrinkly ba?
Oo. Akala ko hindi na eh.
Na picture mo?
Hindi. Nilagyan ko kasi ng tea eh.
Why?
Eh, kasi I want to have milk tea in the house.
Did you
Sabi ni Mother Earth, anong nangyari sa baonan mo? Nilagyan mo ba ng mainit na tubig? Sabi ko, oo. Kaya pala sayang.
Why don't you find one that like a container that replaces hot and cold, and you can also put ice cream inside? How about that? Like it has a double layer like that. Why
I was
not
going to
that?
find that one.
Teacher said she just put hot water in her, like
Tumbler.
tumbler. And then it shrink like this. It turned tiny like this. Like this back.
Tapos it became
There goes the dog.
It became wrinkled.
And there goes the dog.
And there's goes Max. Baka gusto rin mag-wrinkled. You know what, my pet? So ingay din, like Max.
Is the dog big too?
No, it's too small.
It's still a puppy?
But it's so ingay like Max.
Ano? Ganyan ba? About your kitty.
Huh?
About your kitty.
About what?
What about your kitty?
Your kitty, no, the kitty is so quiet. She doesn't have a voice.
No, this is how like normal. Kasi naka-baby pa siya eh.
Oo nga.
Did she grow a little bit?
No, he grow longer, not wider. It's longer.
No, did she grow a little bit longer?
Yeah, nito na siya. Ganyan.
Nito? Like not no. That's the size of the kitty.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
And the kitty cat. And nakita ko ng dog, inside dog, naka-nice. Saka ganito. Gusto ko ng inside dog, but si Kim and Max is an inside dog, but I don't want Max to be.
Don't take her up inside though, because your house are going to smell like dog.
Well, Ate put her inside.
Mm.
I mean him inside. But Kim is an outside dog. She likes fresh air.
Mm-hmm.
Max and Kim is also picky.
Picky.
Yeah, Kim is picky.
He's so big eh.
He's a picky eater. Do you think
And
Kim?
they always barking at me. I already 4 months here, but they just keep on barking with me when I go here.
The first time when you go here,
Mm.
like the first time,
Mm.
and now she stopped barking at you because she knows you now.
It's Kim, si Max.
Max doesn't know. He's not getting used to you yet.
Yeah. He doesn't know me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you eat your mukbang sandwich to. Ano ba? Ako lang nag-iit ng sandwich ko.
Have you tried a sandwich like with like the sandwich ingredients?
When we have in the house.
You have tomato?
Yeah.
Actually, no. Bilhin mo ng tomato and lettuce and
But we don't have lettuce.
hanapin mo sa village. Kita ko ng tomato sa somewhere. Tapos a lettuce somewhere. Tapos kuha mo ng cucumber.
Cucumber?
And also ketchup. Meron ka ng ketchup.
Yeah.
And you need mayonnaise din.
So, dami naman.
Well, that's how salad is made.
Hmm?
Well, that's how I make a sandwich. And anyways, a sandwich tastes really good. And Mama and Lola made it once in their own house.
Mm-hmm. Yummy.
Yeah, it was yummy. Well, I never tried it before.
So, you try it once.
What?
You try it once.
Yeah, and the mayonnaise tastes really yucky. So I spit it out. I was like coughing everything. I was like, oh my. Nagulat si Ma kasi naubo ako. Tapos na-choke ako.
Mm-hmm.
The piece of bread was stuck in my throat and I drink water and then it went down.
That's what happened when you don't want the food. Or you don't like the food.
Yeah, so I spit the rest of the food out, but the bread was stuck in my throat. So I coughed until the bread piece spread out of my like that. I was like, spit out like that. And the last time, a little piece of my gum went out of my ear.
What?
Tapos, yung pang teeth ko, naka dito. Naka siya dito.
Tandal?
Tapos, nasabi ni Mama nakabulot na lang. Ano nakala?
Ha?
When
You drink water.
iniinom ako really fast. Para na labas na. Iniinom ako really fast. When I ate the spicy, when my first time I ate the pancit canton, but it was spicy.
Pancit canton?
Yeah. And I was like, like that. And then I drink the water really fast, like this. Like that. Tapos naiinom.
Paubos mo na yung water mo.
Yan ang kumpi pa. Get away from my food.
Daming palaman ni Mama. Bago na naman siguro pa naman yun.
Ano ikaw?
Ha?
Ano ikaw ng pagkain?
Sa house?
Opo.
You know what? The teddy bear you gave to me, di ba? We already consume all the chocolate. And,
Yung pang nakagusto ko yung pang pagkagusto yung pagkain mo.
okay. No, I will tell you what happened to your, what you have given to me.
Ano na?
And then LJ gave me beans early in the morning.
Yeah, remember that?
And I put the beans in the teddy bear. And it's look good.
It was like bean teddy bear. You were like,
Hindi na siya chocolate teddy bear.
wow, it fits pretty good. Did it fill up the whole teddy bear?
No, kasi maliliit lang yung beans eh.
Oh.
Kalahati lang.
Well,
I'm going to take a picture and
well,
then
my
I'm going to show it
SpongeBob
tomorrow.
has never been eaten because
Why?
sayang naman eh.
Bakit?
Hindi na gusto.
Ayaw mo naman
Bawas
kasi.
Si Mama na ayaw eh.
Eh, ikaw lang kakain mo. Kayong dalawa lang yun eh.
Di ba na ayaw ko yung pang dark chocolate? Nasayang na. Wawa si SpongeBob.
Damain na, marami pa siyang laman. No.
Imagine if there is like a bunny one, like a chubby one. Ah!
Ang chubby one.
Like a chubby bunny one. It has white chocolate. Imagine that. If there was like a white chocolate bunny one. Do you have
What?
like ano yun naka-color white but it's not milk? It has a picture of a cookie on.
Vanilla?
No! Like a salted. How do you spell vinegar? Ng how do you spell cooking vinegar?
VINEGAR.
Cook it like a vinegar, and if you see a vinegar that has a shape of a. If you see a vinegar and ano naka-explode sa vinegar? What does came? How do you explode a
That's the
vinegar?
baking soda.
Baking soda and vinegar.
Yeah.
Pag meron ka ng baking soda and vinegar, and meron ka ng long test tube, tapos lagay mo in salt, yung pang,
Did you watch that?
Opo.
I do that with the activity of LJ eh.
Ano ko yun? Yung pang nakalagay?
Balloons.
Hindi, yung pang
Baking
nakalagay.
soda.
Hindi, yung pang, yung vinegar. Vinegar basket.
Ayan.
You take the vinegar, tapos lagay mo sa loob. Tapos, ano yun called?
Tapos there's a batter, tapos you will going to put vinegar and you're going to put baking soda. And then you are going to put a balloon, and then the balloon will going to rise up. Tama ba?
Yeah. Or you could just not put a balloon up and just let it explode on a container. But make sure to find something to protect the table so it won't get messy.
And
Right?
that is my blogger friend, my blogger Chuti process.
And that's Ryan did. That was right.
Mag-vlog ka na lang.
Ryan did that too. So when Ryan didn't have a tray, so Ryan thought the experiment was gonna fall dripping down, but it actually turned around the table, and Ryan was like, how did it do that? And Moana was like shocked, and he's like, oh my God, I can't believe it, like that. And that's What's it?
Let's eat. Finish na. Mag-bye ka na sa vlog natin. Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye.
Again.
See you later.
This is Crosette and this is Teacher She. Signing off. Bye-bye.
Bye.